Okay, smarty pants.
Oh, I didn't know where you're going.
I'm running away.
All right. Not even a minute.
Oh, I'm sorry. I waited 20 seconds prior to you turning on the camera.
I'm gonna do some barefoot walking. Oh my goodness, it's windy.
That's what it is. See? It's okay now.
It is at least 4 inches. Look at that.
Roses. You think it is?
Yeah, look at my feet. Yeah.
Wow, that is so deep. Footies.
Minute and a half.
Good job, baby. I'm proud of you, babe. You done again?
Hmm?
You done again?
Almost 2 minutes.
I'm done.
She's done. Holy moly, even deeper here. Two and a half minutes. Yeah. I think I'll think about that 10 minutes. Yep, it starts snowing. So, might as well practice walking on snow. Look at that. Crazy. Jammed the truck right in here because I didn't want somebody to come and hit it. Does feel kind of different.